Hello friends, do you want to improve your drawing skill? From this drawing to this realistic one, and I will show you the simple and perfect way of drawing. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you the do's and don'ts signs in nose drawing. In the don't sides, people use dark pencils for making the outline, and they add more pressure on it, and add small shades with that pencil and blend them with their own finger. And erase the excess areas with Tombow mono eraser. And continue the same process that we used before. As you can see, this is not the perfect way of drawing. In the loose sides, I will show you how to draw a perfect drawing. First of all, we need to measure the areas with the low grade pencils and gently draw the outline, and do not add more pressure on it because it damages our paper and our drawing. And slowly draw the lower parts. It will take times to draw a perfect outline. And shade the sides with dark pencils and blend them with paper stump. And do the same at every corner, and do the same process at every side and blend them with paper stump. Use a dark pencil to make the outline much brighter, and add more shades and blend them with paper stump to get a 3D look. And blend the whole area with the paper stump, and again do the same process. And blend the upper areas. And draw the nostrils with the dark pencils. And add some details with the Tombow mono eraser. And continue the process until it reaches the realism. and smoothens the areas with the flat brush. And add more shades with the 10B pencil to give more realism. And make the highlights with kneadable eraser and smoothen the area with flat brush. And continue the process and make the outline much brighter with the 10B pencil. And add highlights. And blend the upper areas with the paper stump and add more shades with the 10B pencils in both sides. And draw the outlines with the 10B pencil to get more brighter lines. And add some details with the kneadable eraser and Tombow mono eraser. And this is the way how to draw a perfect nose. So keep practicing this method to improve your drawing skill. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And feel free to support my YouTube channel and share with your friends.